Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your trusted destination for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we take you through the details of the 2025 new Mahindra BE.6, an exciting electric SUV that showcases Mahindra's bold vision for the future of mobility. Combining futuristic design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the BE.6 is set to make a strong statement in the growing EV market. The 2025 Mahindra BE.6 stands out with its striking, coupe-inspired SUV design. It features sharp body lines, a sleek sloping roofline, and a closed front grille that highlights its all-electric identity. Signature C-shaped LED daytime running lights, flush door handles, and aerodynamic alloy wheels give it a bold and modern presence on the road. The BE.6's sporty stance reflects Mahindra's new design language while offering practicality for urban and highway driving. Built on Mahindra's Inglo EV platform, the BE.6 is expected to deliver impressive power and range. The advanced battery pack promises a driving range of around 450 to 500 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring long-distance capability without frequent stops. Instant torque from its electric motor provides quick acceleration, making the BE.6 fun to drive while remaining silent and eco-friendly. Fast charging support allows the battery to regain significant range in a short time, perfect for modern lifestyles. Inside, the 2025 BE.6 offers a premium and futuristic cabin. A minimalist dashboard, large touchscreen infotainment system, and fully digital instrument cluster create a high-tech environment. Premium upholstery, ambient lighting, and ample space for passengers ensure comfort for both city commutes and long road trips. Mahindra equips the BE.6 with cutting-edge features such as over-the-air updates, advanced driver assistance systems, and multiple driving modes. Safety is prioritized with a robust body structure, multiple airbags, and electronic stability control, ensuring confidence on every journey. The 2025 new Mahindra BE.6 represents a major step forward in India's electric vehicle revolution. With its futuristic design, strong performance, and advanced technology, it promises to be an exciting choice for eco-conscious drivers looking for style and sustainability. Stay tuned to Classic Bike Drive for more updates and detailed reviews on the latest EVs hitting the roads in 2025.